Hey, what's up penny pinchers, and welcome to my how to use GoodRx video. I am creating this video to save you money, so if you could please hit subscribe. It's the only way YouTube will let me succeed, so please hit subscribe. Pharmacists don't like GoodRx, I'm just gonna throw that out there. We don't really like it that much. You know, y'all are bouncing around to different pharmacies trying to save a buck, and I appreciate that, but it's a pain in the neck calling over there at CVS, waiting on hold 30 minutes for them to transfer you the prescription. I gotta transfer it back, and then I gotta transfer it here, transfer it there, and we just want you to stay with us. And I know you wanna save money, but I'm just throwing that out there. And y'all are cheapskates. I'm just saying y'all are cheapskates. You all are transferring from one place to another to save a buck, and it just drives me nuts, but it's fine. It's fine. I appreciate it. I like to be frugal as well, so I'm going to show you how to use it. There are 4 things you need to be successful here. You need the drug name, you need the drug strength, you need the drug quantity, and you need your location. So first of all, you need to go to the library and you need to sign up for a computer. And once you get on the computer, go onto the internet browser, and then you type in the search engine goodrx.com. Goodrx.com. And it'll bring up this website called GoodRx. And what they are is they have a number of discount cards, and they use some kind of crazy program to find out which discount card will be the cheapest. So even if you have GoodRx and you have the pharmacist loaded on your profile, it's not going to be the same price as the price online. So each painstaking time you have to type in your drug, you have to come up with a new printout. So each drug needs a new printout. And yes, we have people with 9 printouts, and it's like entering a insurance for 9 different people. And it takes a long time, and it's amazing, and I love it. I love it so much. So you get on to GoodRx. Now, GoodRx wants you to sign up. You don't need to sign up. Don't give them any of your information. Don't trust anybody. Just don't. Just thank me later. Thank me later. Subscribe. Okay, so what drug do you guys want to use? Hit me in the comment section. Let me know what drugs you guys want to use. I'm waiting. Okay, Viagra. Sildenafil. Let's do Viagra. Because I know what's on you guys' mind. Alright, now we're going to find the lowest price according to GoodRx. Okay, so I have my location set as Beverly Hills. So I'm not putting in the location of where I am, I'm putting in the location where I will be if you hit subscribe. When you get to this page, you need to pick your strength. I'm taking 100 milligrams because success counts. Alright, and then you have all these options for however many the doctor wrote on your prescription. You can also enter your own quantity. Okay? So let's say we're going to do 20 tablets. And the GoodRx algorithm will think, and it'll come up with different prices that it'll be with different coupon cards. So each coupon is different, and they're all different cards. So you pick one. Let's say you want to go to Ralph's. You click on Ralph's. You say get free coupon. And since you're at the library, you pay 50 cents to get this printed out. If you want to save 50 cents, all you need to do is write down the drug, write down the strength, write down the number of tablets, and all this pharmacist info, including member ID, RX group, RX bin, RX PCN. You need all of that. You can hand that to your pharmacist. You can pay the 50 cents and print it out. You know, if you're pulling it up on your phone, the only thing that I ask, or just because we're in a life-threatening situation right now, is just don't hand phones. It's just so gross. Sorry, it's a pet peeve. I hate when people stop handing me your phone. And so in this video I used Beverly Hills, but let's say you're in Wichita, Kansas, use that zip code and it'll show you your options. Okay? So I hope you all found this interesting. If I'm saving you money, please subscribe. It's the least you can do. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks a lot.